the chiefs and the people of Wada Turangana Tuba Turoba and the Vanualevu. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored to be accorded the ceremonies of welcome that you have just performed this morning. I'm honored because only a few days ago I ascended to the position of Prime Ministership in Fiji as now the Prime Minister of Fiji. The ceremonies of welcome and gratitude were presented to the government. We have only just become that government since the 24th of December. Before that, Ratu Jose Warenga Bainimarama's government had started building the bridge that we opened today. Such are the facts of life and progress. Some will be called to build roads, but very few this century are building new roads. They're building new parts of the road on roads that were built by their predecessors. Today we have come to open the bridge that links the other side of the stream to this side of the stream. From the various accounts given during the presentation, there have been a few lives lost of those that had tried to cross the bridge, cross the water, cross the stream at the height of floods. We're grateful, therefore, to the previous governments and planners for the vision they had to build a bridge from the other side of the stream to this. When we came here 2 weeks ago, in the final days of the election campaign, we had to forge the stream. We had to drive across the stream. The bridge had virtually been completed, but had not been opened to traffic. Today, we are grateful. We are thankful. We thank God for His mercies. And we thank all those that had participated in the building of the road leading up to the bridge and the construction of the bridge itself. We're told that the cost of that bridge was $2.7 million. Built by a contractor, Mr. Khan trading as A. Khan, equipment, etc. We give him thanks today. We thank him and his workers. We congratulate him for work well done and well completed. There will be more of these, opening of bridges and roads. We must acknowledge the work of previous leaders and governments, previous planners, and we must thank the World Bank or the whatever development bank has given us the money, whether it's Asian Development Bank or the World Bank or our own finances. We thank them for their confidence that what they have contributed to the nation, to the country, will be for the betterment of its people. We thank the United Nations for its vision and the various goals that they have put upon the member nations, member countries, for each to strive for in this millennium. One of them is accessibility to markets for producers and rural producers. One of them is better roads and communication systems. One of them is accessibility to affordable electricity. All these were formulated by the various committees of the United Nations. We as government borrow from those development programs and development aims and build into our own perspectives or our own manifesto. And we come to you to say, we are going to do this. And if you believe in us, you vote for us. We are now in government because you believed that we would complete these things, various programs for the development of your country. A lot of it will come from your own tax money. You're all taxpayers in Fiji since the introduction of VAT. But even before that, we were paying through our purchases for the duties levied, for the various taxes paid by government and importers. When we, the consumers, go and pay, part of that goes towards our revenue collections. So we thank all those that have participated in the formulation of the plan, in the actual building of the road and the bridge that has brought us to this day, this very memorable day that we are celebrating today. It's not us, it's those that had done the work before us. We've just come to cut the ribbon and celebrate with you the opening of the bridge. Once again, congratulations and thank you for perseverance. Thank you for your confidence in the government of the past and present. We can only pray that God will give us the courage and the strength to be able to do for you what you had voted us into office for. Once again, Mr. Khan, thank you very much. Congratulations on the successful completion of the building of the bridge. And the people, the ladies and gentlemen who are here, and the young people who are going to be using the bridge to go to school and come back from school, take produce to the market, and bring back development stores for the village. Thank you all very much. Thank you for your faith, and we ask God that He will strengthen our faith, that we as a nation can face the future together. We can do much more than just opening a small bridge we have here. Small it may seem, it is a big step in the development of this part of the Cakaudrove. Vanualevu, congratulations, and I thank you very much for your attention. Vanualevu.